Data transmission used to be mainly through copper cables. However, optic fiber revolutionized the way data is transmitted, as they are less prone to electromagnetic interference and noise. These are random, unwanted data that add to and distort a transmitted signal. They're much faster and can carry much more data. Also, they would have less attenuation, meaning there would be less power loss in the signal as it travels along the transmission path. How does light travel through optic fibers? Unlike copper cables, which use electric signals for transmission, optic fibers transmit signals in the form of light. The light travels through extremely thin strands of glass or plastic, about a third of the human hair, by the concept of total internal reflection. This phenomenon is basically the total reflection of incoming light at the boundary between two mediums. In this case, the mediums are air and water, as represented in this experiment. The mediums have different refractive index values that are used to calculate a specific angle called the cutoff angle. Light will only experience total internal reflection if the angle in which the incoming ray meeting the boundary is less than the calculated cutoff angle. How is the data transferred? Data is transferred by digital signals, which are discrete values that consist of binary bits of ones and zeros. For example, the following binary code could represent the number 97 or the letter A. So in the case of optic signals, 1 represents the lights being on and 0 represents the lights being off. Optic fibers can have such a rapid change between consecutive bits, which allows it to send up to 100 terabits every second. That is 1 times 10 to the power of 14 bits per second. Hence, more data is transmitted through optic fibers.